So in this video we're gonna check if VIVO IQOO 5 Pro has a fingerprint sensor. So in order to do this, let's open our settings, move to the security, and from here find the fingerprint, but it's not in the security, must be somewhere else. Fingerprint and face password, it's right here. Click on the fingerprint and let's give it an unlock like this. Start inputting, okay, and fingerprint scanner is located right here, so this means the phone has one. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.